Hi guys, my name is Emma and today I will explain you in detail how to work with a very interesting indicator called Awesome Oscillator. I will show you what kind of indicator it is, how to use it, what it represents and how to open the profitable trades with the help of it. So it's very good that now you're watching this video because you will learn very useful information for yourself, because you remember that all the citations on the market always repeat, and it means that some citations that we will work out today together, you can find them in your own trading and get the profit from them. And of course, you can find more useful things for yourself in my Telegram chat. You just need to find the link in the description under this video and write to me the code word private and I will add it there. And there you can use the trading signals that I post there. They have the profitability of 80-90%. It's quite big profitability. And also you can check the reviews from guys who are already members of this chat in my Telegram channel. You can also find the link there in the description. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and put your like, write in the comment what you want to see in the next episode. So we're ready to start our trading today. So hi guys, today I will show you how to trade with the indicator Awesome Oscillator. So this indicator is used to measure the moving force of the market, and also this indicator will help us to identify the reversals of the price and will tell us the volumes for an increase. So first of all, let's switch this on. Click this button and choose the Awesome Oscillator. So all the settings by default, we don't need to change anything, and thus you can see the display of this indicator. Well, this is the horizontal line with 0 mark and there are bars of green and red colors. So this histogram will tell us what volumes will be rising for an increase or for a decrease. So the signal of this indicator is the moment when the vertical bars of green bars are becoming red ones and they are decreasing. So in this moment we can open the trade with down. It tells us that the price will be falling. So the second signal is the moment when there are the histogram changes, and from the horizontal 0 line there are green bars up, so we can open the trade with up here. So the same thing is with the decrease. When the horizontal 0 line there are red bars down, we can open the trade with down. Of course, we always look at the chart at first. We use technical analysis, conduct it. Pay attention to the support and resistance levels and the internal levels as well, and then we look at the indicator display. Well, today we're going to work out lots of situations, we're going to make the very good result, and we will use this indicator very well. So here you can see the resistance level. The price bounced down from this level and now it is moving up. So the general price minimum is becoming higher. So the indicator shows that the red bars are becoming green ones and they are decreasing, and it tells that the volumes for an increase will be rising. So let's open a trade with up for 2 minutes. So this time is with the reserve because there can be small flat or a bounce down, so we need to check everything. So guys, it's excellent. The price continued moving up. We got the profit. We closed this trade profitable, yes. So this indicator showed a very good entry point and the volumes for an increase really started to grow. So let's continue and find another citation on the market. So guys, here you can see the support level, and this level is quite strong. So the price touched this level, then bounced up, and now it is moving further. So let's look at the indicator. On the horizontal line there are red bars up, and the next one is longer than the previous one, and it tells that the volumes for an increase will be rising. So let's open a trade with up for 2 minutes. I think that this time will be enough for this citation and we will get the profit from it. So guys, it's quite interesting. So we got the small flat here, but anyway the movement up continued and we got the profit from this transaction. So this time was enough. So this indicator also showed a very good entry point and helped me to understand the price movement. So let's continue with another situation. So guys, here you can see the support level and also the general price highs are becoming lower. The price has a very good potential for a decrease here. So let's look at the indicator. It tells that very soon the volumes for a decrease will be growing. So let's open a trade. We're down for 2 minutes and right now the price started to break through the support level. So I think the price will keep on moving down. So let's check it. So guys, it's quite well. So the price broke through this level, then stopped, and this is the small flat here. So anyway, the indicator showed the very good entry point again. So the profit is ours and we can continue. So guys, here you can see the support level again, and right now the price is moving towards this level and there is still a place to it, you see. So let's look at the indicator. So on the horizontal line there are red bars down, so it tells us that the volumes for a decrease will be growing. So let's open a trade for 2 minutes. I guess this time will be quite enough and we will get our profit. So guys, it's very well. The price continued moving towards this level, then bounced up. So the closure point of the transaction was lower than the entry point, and also indicator told us a very good entry point and we understood the price movement. So let's continue. So guys, here you can see the price broke through the support level, then moved down. So the indicator also shows us that very soon the volumes for an increase will be growing. So let's open a trade for 2 minutes with up. I think in this situation this time will be enough. So let's check it. So guys, it's very good. The price continued moving up and we got the profit again. So 2 minutes were enough for that, you could say that. So the indicator also showed a very good entry point and the price movements were clear for us. So volumes for an increase really started to grow. So let's continue. So guys, here you can see the support level. The price touched this level, then bounced up. So the indicator also shows that very soon the price will be rising. So let's open a trade for 1 minute with up movement, and I think that in this situation we will get a small pullback up and the price will be rising for a while. So let's check it. So guys, it's very interesting. There was the small pullback up and we closed this trade profitable. So 1 minute was enough for that. So the indicator also showed a very good entry point in this situation, so we can continue our trading. So guys, here you can see the resistance level, and also you can see there has been a very good uptrend. The price touched this level, then bounced down, and also the indicator tells us that the volumes for a decrease will be rising very soon. So let's open a trade with down for 2 minutes. I think the price will continue moving towards the internal support level that is located lower. So also this time is with the reserve because there can be the pullback up or the small flat here. So guys, it's very good. So after the small flat, the movement down continued and we closed this trade profitable anyway. So this time was enough for that. So the indicator again was right and helped us to understand the price movement. So the volumes for a decrease really started to grow. So we can continue our trading. Well guys, here you can see the resistance level, and also you can notice the price bounced from this level, and after that it's again moving up. So let's look at the indicator. It tells us that volumes for an increase will be rising. So in this situation, let's open a trade with up for 2 minutes. I think this time will be enough for us and we'll close this trade profitable. Well guys, it's very good. After the small flat, the movement up continued and we closed this trade profitable, and this time was enough for that. So this indicator again helped us to understand where it was the very good entry point, and the volumes for an increase really started to grow. So let's continue. So guys, here you can see the resistance level, and also there was a very good uptrend here. The price touched this level, then bounced down, and now after it, it's again moving towards this level. So let's look at the indicator. The horizontal zero line, there are green bars up. So it means that the volumes for an increase are growing. So let's open a trade with up for 2 minutes, and I'm sure the price will be moving towards this level and maybe break it through. So this time is also with the result because there can be the pullback down or the small flat here. So guys, it's very good. So the price slowed down a little, but the movement down continued and we closed this trade profitable. So this time was enough for that, and also indicator showed a very good entry point and we understood the price movement. So let's continue. So guys, here you can see the resistance level, and also the price bounced from this level and now it's again moving towards it. So let's look at the indicator. It tells us that very soon their volumes for an increase will be growing, so it means that we need to open a trade with about 2 minutes and the price will continue moving towards this level, maybe break it through, so we need to check everything. And also this time is with the reserve because there can be the pullback down here as well. Well guys, it's very interesting. So the price continued moving up and we closed this trade profitable. So this time was enough for that. So the indicator also showed a very good entry point and the volumes for an increase really started to grow. So this level has been broken through. So my deposit is $2,000. So let's open the last trade for today. I will find something very interesting for you and we'll continue. So guys, here you can see the resistance level and also there has been the very good uptrend here. The price touched this level, then bounced down. And also the indicator shows us that very soon the volumes for a decrease will be growing. So we need to open a trade way down because I'm sure there will be a pullback here. Well guys, it's very well. So the pullback down really happened and we got the profit here. So this time was enough for that. The indicator also showed a very good entry point and that's why we got these amazing results. So guys, my deposit is $4,000 and I think it's high time to finish out trading because my deposit is quite good. It's very good that you watched this video to the end because now you know how to work with the indicator Awesome Oscillator and in what situations you need to open the trades with down or with up and for what time it's better to open, because you know that all the situations on the market always repeat and of course you will find the same situation that we have worked out today in your own trading and you will get the result from it. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Now you know how to work with this indicator Awesome Oscillator and I'm sure it will bring you the biggest results and the very brilliant profit. Just trade, practice and gain the experience. So guys, come to my Telegram chat and there you can ask me the questions and also use the trading signals. So find the link in the description under this video and write to me the code word private into my direct. Check the Telegram channel as well and of course write in the comments what you would like to see in the next episodes. And do not forget to subscribe to the channel and put your likes. So I'll see you next time.